Welcome back, dear students. This is my fourth video on articles. I had dealt with indefinite articles a and where they are used, and I have also dealt with definite article the where it has to be used from both standard 6 as well as standard 7 book. Let me do a quick recap from my notes for you to for better understanding. So the The is used when we speak about a person or a thing in particular, both for singular and plural. Suppose I tell you, I like your bag. So, and you tell me, this is the bag you gifted me. So, earlier I didn't know, I was not sure. But now I am sure that the bag. So, this is the bag, the very bag which you gifted me. So that is why we have used a the over here. Now where else can we use a the? So we can use the with the superlative form of adjectives already mentioned in your book. So Sohan is the most famous, or Sachin is the most famous sports person in the world. Or we can use the before well-known buildings like the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. When we speak of population of an nation like the Indians, the Japanese, the French, the Chinese, so population. We also use the with adjectives when we were referring to a whole group of people, like we should help the poor. We should help the poor. Here referring to people, not poor here means the poor people. So the has to be used. We use the before names of trains, ships, newspapers, oceans, sea, deserts, direction, religious book, magazine, rivers, countries, hotels, towns, pubs, restaurants, organization, families, geographical features, countries. Everything has been given in your book. So this is just a recap. So where you have to use the. Now there is another factor that I want to tell you about the sound of the and the. So suppose when we watch a movie, we see it is written the end. So do we call it the end or the end? We call it the end. The end, right? Why do we call it the end? Because the E and D. So E starts with a vowel sound. So wherever it is the vowel sound, we put the, we speak the, and wherever there is a consonant sound, we will say the. Okay, so please keep this in mind for better clarification. Now one thing that you have to remember, girls, students, is where you have to omit the use of articles, where you have to use, or what are the areas where no article should be used. This is very, very important. So where it should not be used, omission. So before proper nouns, suppose what is the proper noun? Name of a place, person, thing, right? I am going to the Goa, we will not say, because Goa is a name of a proper place. We will say I am going to Goa. So no a, no and, no the. Similarly, I like Rohan. So I am not saying and the. I like Rohan. So since they are proper nouns, we will not use any kind of articles before them. Before the names of the languages. He is the Bengali. We don't speak it like he is a Bengali. He is an Bengali. So we avoid using such words. He is speaking in Bengali. In a Bengali or an Bengali or the Bengali we avoid. So he is speaking in Bengali. We don't use any kind of articles before languages. Before material and abstract noun. So iron is in metal. So iron. So here again it is a material and we are not using a, the, an. Suppose honesty is a virtue. So honesty is an abstract noun. You cannot measure it. Right? It is a state of being. So here we do not use a, an or the. We do not use before planets. We do not use the before meals. We don't say the lunch or the breakfast, the dinner. I finished my breakfast. I finished my lunch. I will take my lunch shortly. So we don't use the. It is very well given in your standard 7 book. Please go through the students of standard 7. Omission of articles, 0 articles. See, where do we refer to general ideas, towns, cities, states, countries. Though there are a few exceptions here, you can see during the names of the people, because they are proper nouns, we don't use lakes, islands, continents, planets, sports, meals. Here we do not use the or a or an. This part has not been given in a standard 6 book, but for your knowledge you can just listen to this carefully. Where else can we omit, or where else we do not use a and the is before names of games and sports, before expression such as all day, all night, by air, etc., before names of days or months, before the names of the country, town, cities, states. Exception I have already shown you, like the US, the USA. Okay, so just this comes this here I come to the end of your chapter A and the, which is the articles. Please be careful about the sounds, about the usage of the and the, about the usage of a and an, and the sounds which are more important, not the letters. Thank you so much, students. Please go through the video very carefully.